This art of decorating fabric or other material with threads, wires, or leather is like painting. In Chinese embroidery, the fabric serves as paper and the needle as brush. Chinese embroidery is one of the Asian Chinese crafts. China is the first country in the world to have discovered and used silk. With the use of silk and the production and development of silk products, the crafts of Chinese embroidery has sprung up in this country for thousands of years. This embroidery with dragon and phoenix patterns in the Warring States period in Asian China more than 2,000 years ago is one of the earliest embroidery works in China that have been discovered. The four famous embroideries in China are Su embroidery created around the city of Suzhou in Jiangsu province, Yue embroidery created around the cities of Guangzhou and Chaozhou in Guangdong province, Xiang embroidery around Changsha in Hunan province, and Shu embroidery from Chengdu in Sichuan province. Chinese embroidery covers a wide range of themes. Take the theme of animal, for example. Su embroidery is good at cats. Yue embroidery is good at phoenix. Xiang embroidery is excellent in tigers, and Shu embroidery is famous for its vivid works of carps. We can see that the hair and the scales of the animals in these embroidery works are sparkling and lifelike. How did this artistic effect come into being? Let's take a look at the thread that embroideries use. The thinnest type is only 1/10 of the thinnest human hair, which effectively transfers one color to another, from light to shadow, and therefore produces the vivid three-dimensional effect. A large piece of embroidery often takes 2 or 3 years to complete. In addition to the four famous embroideries, the embroideries of other regions and ethnic minorities in China also have a very typical regional style. In modern times, machine embroidery gradually replaces manual embroidery, which helps to the wide spread of Chinese embroidery as a symbol of Chinese cultures. On the international stages for fashion shows, for example, embroidery is often the key to unlock Chinese fashion. When the delicate Eastern elements conveying Chinese Asian styles meet the simple Western fashion styles, the combination would send forth unmatched glamour with the help of ornament of embroideries. From the decorative patterns of the sleeves of girls working in the field to the emperor's robes with the dragon patterns, from the surface of silk fans and quilts to the furniture with paint screens, from the south of the Yangtze River to the mountains and rivers in Sichuan, Chinese embroidery has gone through thousands of years through the Asian and modern times, connecting China to the world. Chinese embroidery has become a name card of the most colorful Chinese art.